In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a message on LinkedIn without connecting. So, let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, you'll see posts from your connections and pages that you follow. Now, tap on My Network from the menu at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll be able to see your connections, people you follow, and suggested profiles. Select the profile that you want to view. Once you're on their profile page, tap on the three dots located next to the Follow button. A menu will appear with several options. From here, tap on Send Profile in a Message. This option allows you to send that person's LinkedIn profile to one or more of your existing LinkedIn connections through a message. Now, choose the connection you want to send the profile to. You can search for their name or select them from the suggested list. After selecting the recipient, type your message in the text box. Once you're ready, tap the Send button. Your message along with the profile link will be sent instantly. And that's how you can send a LinkedIn profile in a message using the LinkedIn app. If you found this guide helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more LinkedIn tutorials and tips.